Hello, good day everyone. Uh, my name is Fikri Fadhylah, and this is my video to submit the final exam of Introduction to Psycholinguistics by Miss Antika. So, I am from 07 SIGP 004 class, and in this video I would like to talk about types and history of language learning. Okay, so hear me out. You hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so everyone knows that the fact shows that English is the most studied language in the world. In sociolinguistics, English is included in the lingua franca language, which acts as a liaison language because both parties do not speak a language that is mutually intelligible. However, 5 years ago, English was not the most studied language. Instead, Latin is the most dominant language covering the fields of education, business, religion, and politics that are studied around the world. So, the expansion of Rome marked the first time that the language teaching method was used and applied to Latin. In the 16th century, Latin declined and gradually ceased to be used and began to study as a spoken or written language. Classic Latin language for teaching, the study of Latin grammatically analysis, and thus rhetoric were models of language learning from the 7th to the 19th century. Okay? In the middle of the 20th century, a new era in the development of language teaching method began. So, this method has been adapted for the study of language at university in North America. Following this method, various other methods have emerged, such as the silent way, something like that, and situational language teaching, overall, physical response, and many more. And changes that have taken place from the past to the present regarding the way or method used to teach language to students have brought new understanding and changes in the need for their language skill, such as speech proficiency, and which is currently the main goal of students to be able to communicate compared to previous one that preferred reading only. Okay, and therefore a method of language learning is needed that is adapted to the theory and nature of language and language study. Modern English started its development around 100 1050 1500 AD or Anno Domini. The progress of industrialization and the emergence of colonization have brought English as a language that was originally only used in the British archipelago to become a language that has spread to various corners of the world in a very fast time. The varieties of English that are best known in Indonesia are the variety of American, British, and Australian English, and yeah, that's all. So, to conclude that, in these countries, English is chosen as the first language and is widely used to communicate between members of the community. Apart from the standard varieties, it is also important. It is also important to understand the differences between normal and informal varieties of English. Those who like written language usually feel the importance of mastering formal varieties of English. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy this video. Goodbye. Thank you.